Welcome to the future of cloud computing with GCP App Engine, Google Cloud Platform's powerful platform as a service. This tool simplifies application deployment and management, allowing developers to focus on coding, while GCP handles the infrastructure. Let's explore the features and capabilities of GCP App Engine and see how it can transform your application development and deployment. GCP App Engine is a fully managed platform for building, deploying, and scaling applications effortlessly. It suits a range of applications from small startups to large enterprises. Common use cases are web applications, supports various web frameworks and languages, APIs and microservices, deploy RESTful APIs and microservices easily. Mobile backends, ensure high performance and availability for mobile apps. Enterprise applications, build and deploy mission-critical applications reliably. Did you know that questions about GCP App Engine are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. App Engine supports multiple runtimes and frameworks, providing flexibility in choosing your technology stack. It supports languages like Python, Java, Node.js, Go, PHP, Ruby, and .NET. It also supports various frameworks like Django and Flask for Python, Spring Boot for Java, Express.js for Node.js, Laravel for PHP, Rails for Ruby. The standard environment is optimized for predictable workloads and high traffic, offering streamlined deployment, automatic scaling, and built-in services like Memcache, task queues, and data store. Key features are automatic scaling, scales based on traffic, sandboxed environment, secure isolation of applications. Integrated services utilize Google's powerful services seamlessly. The flexible environment suits applications with custom dependencies or complex configurations. It allows running applications in Docker containers for greater flexibility. Key features are custom runtimes, support for any language or framework, VM-based instances, more control and customization, seamless scaling, scale based on CPU usage, memory, or request latency. The App Engine Migration Center simplifies transitioning existing applications to App Engine with minimal downtime. Key features are assessment tools, evaluate and plan migrations, step-by-step guides, detailed migration documentation, support resources, access to community forums, documentation, and experts. App Engine's versioning capabilities allow deploying multiple versions of applications simultaneously, useful for testing and rollbacks. Key features are multiple versions, run multiple versions concurrently, traffic splitting, distribute traffic for testing. Easy rollbacks, quickly revert to previous versions. Be aware of certain restrictions to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. Common restrictions are sandbox environment, standard, restrictions on file system access and execution time, request timeouts, limits on request durations, resource quotas, quotas on CPU usage, memory, and API requests. GCP App Engine offers a flexible pricing model, charging only for the resources used. Key pricing factors: instance hours, based on running time of application instances. Network traffic, charges for data egress. Storage, costs for data storage. API calls, charges for Google Cloud APIs usage. Use the GCP pricing calculator and review the pricing documentation for detailed information. GCP App Engine simplifies the development, deployment, and management of applications in the cloud. With support for multiple runtimes, automatic scaling, and robust services, it enables developers to focus on creating great applications. Whether for startups or enterprises, App Engine offers the flexibility, scalability, and reliability needed for cloud-based applications. Embrace GCP App Engine and unlock your innovation potential. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.